Hey folks, I'm going to go through some stuff with you today. So you're going to want to have that pause button ready to go, because occasionally I'm going to tell you to pause it. And when I tell you to pause it, I want you to pause it. Got it? And then when you pause it, try it on your own. Then you can unpause it, and I will talk you through the solution, and we can see if we're on the right track. So I'm going to do 2 of these with you guys together right now. And then I want you to do the rest of the page by yourself. And I will put the solutions on here as well. So again, just pause it, do the sheet, unpause it, check your answers. Got it? Here we go. First question. Now this is a 2-step equation. It's called a 2-step equation because there's 2 things happening. The side that has the variable is this side. Okay, there's a v there. Okay, down here, there's a u there. So these are the sides we want to focus on. Wherever the letter is, or variable, that's where we want to look. And we got to ask ourselves, what is happening on this side? Okay, this left side. It's 3v plus 5. So what I want you to do is I want you to write S A D M. Okay? Sadm, whatever. Where the S stands for subtraction, addition, division, and multiplication. Okay? This will give you sort of an algorithm of the steps you need to take to solve any 2-step equation. Okay? Now, what you do is you look at the left side, or wherever the variable is, and you say to yourself, what is happening on that side in terms of mathematical operations? Well, I'm adding 5, plus 5, and I'm multiplying by 3. Okay? So what you're going to do in this SADM is you're going to cross out what's happening. Okay, I'm multiplying by 3, and I'm adding 5. I'm going to cross those out. And then whatever's left is what you're going to do. So I know, and you just go left to right. Okay, so you're going to go, first thing I need to do is subtract something, and then I'm going to divide something. Okay, so with equations, we like to split it, creating a left-hand side and a right-hand side. And based on this, I'm going to, first thing I'm going to do, now remember, we're trying, basically what this is saying is, let me give you some sort of overarching description of what this is telling us. It's saying if there's a number, v, if I multiply it by 3 and add 5 to it, I get 23. Okay? So this is saying 3 times something plus 5 is 23. Okay? And we're trying to find that. Now, any of you that are good with your mental math, you can fly through this. No problem. It's pretty straightforward. You can sort of figure it out in your head what the answer is, but that's not the goal, okay? Being able to do these in your head is a good thing. For sure it is. However, being able to show the steps of what it takes to solve them is more important, because there's going to come a time next year, certainly in grade 9, where you won't be able to do these questions in your head. There's going to be fractions, negatives, decimals, and certainly into high school, things get way more complicated solving equations. So the process is more important than just being able to look at this and know what the answer is. Now, that's not to say it's good that you can do that, but that's not the important part, okay? All right, there's my rant. So I'm going to subtract and then divide. So let's take a look here. What am I subtracting? Well, I was adding 5, so I'm going to do the opposite and subtract 5 from both sides. So on the left-hand side here, I've got 3v plus 5 minus 5. Those are gone. Plus 5 minus 5, that's 0. Gone. Nothing left. So I still have 3v on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, I have simply 23 minus 5. And 23 minus 5 is 18. Okay? So we just, according to the SADM thing, we just subtracted. Okay? So that's been dealt with. We can cross that out. Now, next thing left to right, we need to divide. Well, clearly, This means 3 times v. So to cancel division, we do the opposite. Or sorry, to cancel multiplication, we do the opposite, which is division. So we're going to divide both sides by 3. And our answer is v equals 18 divided by 3 is 6. And anyone that knows anything about numbers knew that right away. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. But it's this part that is important. Okay, I promise you, the process is more important than just getting the answer. Okay, it's not about the destination. It's about the journey. Okay, so now I want you to pause it. And I want you to try, I don't know why these are in columns like this, 1, 2, 3. We're just going to go this way. So I want you to pause it right now and try these 2 questions. Okay, pause it. Promise me you're pausing it. Pause it and try those 2. Got it? Pause. Did you pause it? I sure hope so. Here we go. Split it down the equal sign. Left-hand side, right-hand side. Right now I've got, we're going to do the SADM. Now you don't have to do this, but if you're not understanding what to do and when to do it, then you should do this. In this question, I have addition, so I'm going to cross it out, and I have multiplication. In fact, I think this whole sheet is that. Anyways, that's fine. First thing I'm going to do is subtract, then I'm going to divide. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. I get 2y equals 9 minus 1 is 8. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 2. Y equals 4. Makes sense, right? 2 times 4. Remember, this is 2 times y, even though there's no multiplication symbol. That's what it means. 2 times y. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Boom. We're good to go. The next one beside it. Draw a line down the equal side, separating the left from the right. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. 2x equals 18. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. X equals 9. Quick mental check here. 9. 2 times 9, that's 18. 2 times 9 is 18. Plus 3 is 21. And then we're good to go. Okay? I want you to finish the page. And you can do that right now. So hit pause. And then once you've got that page finished, you can unpause it and I will slowly reveal the answers. Man, this is exciting. Okay, so pause and do the rest of the page. Go now. Okay, I hope you paused it. Here's the answers. U is 10. A is 8. B is 7. C is 1. V is minus that, 5. X is 1. Y is 6. V is 10. X is 8. B is 9. A is 3. And Z is 3. Boom. If you got all those, we're good to go. I'll upload something more spicy tomorrow, but for now, we're on the right track. Good job, folks. Bye for now.